SKIDOS.
Miss Johnson, the homeroom teacher, is planning the Labor Day celebration. Everyone is excited. Hi, Lee. Are you okay? You look sad. What's wrong? Hi, Emma. I want to help with the celebration, but I just don't know what to do. I'm not good at anything. I feel left out. Left out? I felt that way too. You did? Really? Yeah. You just gotta try new things and then you'll know what you're good at. Lee comes up with an idea and starts making badges for different occupations. Wow, Lee, your badges are amazing. Thanks, Jose. I love making them. They're so cool. You're really good at this. He is, isn't he? Thanks, Emma. If you feel left out and don't know what to do, try something new. When you do, you'll discover the hidden treasure within you. Lee found his. You can find yours too. Then smile and say from your heart, "This is what I can do."